Good morning to you. While the cold weather continues to bite, further wintry showers to come for northern Scotland through today. We have a yellow warning from the Met Office for snow and ice valid throughout. Those wintry showers banding together at times to give some more prolonged spells of snow and some further significant accumulations. A few showers drifting further south, but generally for central and southern Scotland. Could be some patches of mist and freezing fog to start, but lots of wintry sunshine. Temperatures, though, close to freezing with the brisk northerly breeze adding a significant wind chill. Tonight we'll continue to see wintry showers for a time in the north. Most of them will fade. It will be bitterly cold, likely the coldest night of the winter so far. We could see -17, -18, perhaps lower than that. Tomorrow it's largely dry and settled. A few showers in the northeast. Otherwise wintry sunshine, but bitterly cold.
Hello again. We've just had the coldest night this winter in England, Wales and Northern Ireland, but this coming night could prove to be even colder. For the next few nights, we're looking at some severe frosts, also further snow and ice by day and by night, some freezing fog, and by the time we get to the weekend, something a little bit less cold is coming our way. So today we are still pulling in some wintry showers across the north of Scotland on that northerly wind, which is exacerbating the cold feel. This morning's wintry showers across Northern Ireland, northwest England, Wales and the southwest easing a touch. There'll still be a few left behind, but we still are looking at a lot of dry weather and a fair bit of sunshine. You may find a little bit of lingering fog in Northern Ireland and parts of northwest England. But this is what we're looking at temperature-wise in our towns and cities. 2 to about 5 degrees, colder than that where we've got lying snow. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, once again the wintry showers continue across the northeast. Brisk wind here, another weather front coming in across the southwest will introduce rain. We could well see some snow on its leading edge, and you can see from the colours here it's going to be a cold night. There's the potential for a -20 somewhere with a bit of height and lying snow in the highlands. Widely we're looking at -5 to -10. Locally we're looking at between -10 and also -16 or 17. Tomorrow then, our weather front doesn't move terribly far. It will still bring in all this cloud into the southwest, also some patchy rain, maybe a little bit of sleet on some of the moors, a lot of dry weather as well. Any fog that's formed could take its time to lift. Some of it again could linger for much of the day, and temperature-wise, freezing in Glasgow to about 7 in Plymouth under that veil of cloud. Then as we head on from Friday into the weekend, you can see how high pressure sinks south. Weather front comes in from the Atlantic, followed in hot pursuit by another one. Isobars tell their own story. At times it is going to be windy, but the wind coming in from the southwest means that it's not going to be as cold as it has been this week. So you can see how the temperatures rise initially across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, but by the time we get towards the end of the week, more of us are seeing higher temperatures than we have done.